Hello guys, welcome back again. So in this lab, we're gonna have to create a subnet in Azure Virtual Network. So this is day 6 lab of the cloud Azure series, 100 days of cloud. Alright, let's do it together. Oh, it may take up to 5 minutes again. Right, okay. So here. So the Nautilus DevOps team is strategizing. This is repeated test almost every single lab. I think so. So Nautilus DevOps team is strategizing the migration of a portion of their infrastructure to the Azure cloud. Recognizing the scale of this undertaking, they have opted to approach that migration in incremental steps rather than as a single massive transition. So for this task, create a virtual network, VNet, name is xfusion-vnet, and one subnet name xfusion-subnet within the VNet. So in the West US region, make sure the IPv4 address range is 10.0.0.0/16. So we will use this time. We will use this portal URL. So I will copy all of these tests here. Alright, so we will create another account, so I will use this username, click next, and then we will apply this password right there and sign in. So now we are on the Azure portal. So first of all we have to create the virtual network, right? So we will create the virtual network. So here I will click the virtual network and create it. So we will use existing resource group. So virtual network name is xfusion-vnet. So vnet here. So region is West US, not East US. So we use West US here. We change into West US. Here, West US, and next. So security things. Do we need to fix something in the security things? So we don't need to fix anything right there. So we can click next. So IPv4 range is here. It's clearly mentioned here. Make sure the IPv4 address range is 10.0.0.0/16. So it's already correct. So we don't need to change it. So we click next, and we don't add any tag. Click next, and now review and create. So I will click the create button. Now deployment is in progress. After that, we have to create new subnet. Subnet name is xfusion-subnet. So we go to source. So this is xfusion-vnet. So now we will create a xfusion-subnet. Wait, let me check some. This resource group was US. Alright, these are correct. So here we can create new subnet right here. So I will add subnet. So subnet is a Azure firewall. Name is, we will remove this name. We will use the xfusion-subnet. Alright, so I will go create an IPv4 address range is correct, stay correct. So we don't need to fix anything right here. NAT gateway, network security good, we don't need to think for that. So alright, so we will add this subnet within the virtual network, xfusion-vnet. So I will add there. So now we will have two subnet. This is the default subnet. We don't need to change anything right there. Wait. Is it 1.0.24? I think here we have to change again. Starting address is yeah, that's correct. Alright, so it's correct because here is the sub portion number is 1.0. So yeah, this is within the range of the IPv4 address. Here we can do many 256 address, so I think it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. So we finished it, right? So let me check out how to use check VNet and subnet together in Azure CLI. So here we will use this VNet table. So here, so now we have the xfusion-vnet resource with this resource group, and we will check it out there. This is VNet details. This is subnet. So let me use this. Here VNet name is virtual network name is xfusion-vnet. Resource group name is, we will use this. Alright, so yeah, we will use this command line to check it out, the output table. So now you will see that this is xfusion-subnet. Something wrong, is something wrong? VNet list, VNet name is xfusion-vnet. Resource group FUSION. Yeah, it's correct, right? Oh, it displayed default, no correct name. Let me delete this default one. We don't need that. Alright, I will make it refresh. Yeah, so I will run this command line again. yeah, you will see that now with the xfusion-subnet. Yeah. Oh, it's something wrong. Oh, it's already correct. I was wrong. Alright, so we check it out. I did unnecessary things. mm-hmm. Yeah, finally we did it. So I will start here and click yes and no issue face submit. Alright, so thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.